Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Guys, medyo umikot kami kanina tapos medyo nakita natin kaunti na lang ang mga kakanin. Weakness ko pa naman. So, nagtago muna ako. Anyhow, guys, punta tayo sa grupo na to. Siguro makaka-relate ang lahat. Kasi sila yung mga unang nurses na dumating sa Ireland. At take it away, Mrs. K.
Yes! Alam nyo, kung hindi dahil sa mga nurses na to, wala tayo ngayon. Kasi apparently, sila talaga yung experimentohan. Tama ba yun? So sila talaga yung unang-una na kung hindi sila pumasa sa quality of care na dineliver nila that time, ay nasaan kaya tayo ngayon? Okay, so we have ate. Sino? Dito muna.
Jenny.
Siguro, Jane.
Jennifer.
Jennifer, o hindi ate.
Sorry, Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Rosana pangalan ko pero Mitch ang tawag nila sa akin. Ate Mitch.
Ate Mitch. Saang hospital, Ate Mitch?
Ngayon,
Oo.
nasa Chiverstown ako ngayon.
Yes. And then,
Ako naman si Leilani, tapos nag-work ako sa respite unit with children with autism.
Si Telma, actually retired na ako.
hey, yun ang masarap, di ba? Tayo tired lang, siya retired.
Still working pa rin.
Yes. Tama yan.
Ito yung mic pa
So, okay guys, konting share siguro, since nandito na tayo, share ng mga experience nila noon, nung dumating sila. Oo. Yung mga unforgettable experience lang dito sa Ireland.
I'm Marie. I'm Marie. Yes. Work in a nursing home before for 9 months. And then lumipat sa ibang nursing home kasi di maganda yung naging nursing home ko nung una. Unfortunately. And then HSE for 22 years and retired. And then I'm in a public service now.
Wow.
Yeah,
Because
working
you're
as
still
full-time.
young, so early retirement. That's
Yeah.
nice. So,
Yeah.
yes, so, goal yan, goal.
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
So unang dating ko dito sa Belmont Nursing Home din for 3 years. Tapos nag-move ako sa now Laurel Lynn Children's Hospice. So hanggang ngayon, na ako doon, 23 years.
Yan. And then, ate?
Ako sa nursing home din nag-umpisa. Yung nursing home ko noon nasa gitna ng bundok. Ang bus noon, isang beses lang, alas 4 lang ng hapon. Pag naiwanan ka ng bus, kawawa ka, mag-taxi ka na lang. Ganon. Pero ngayon, marami rin akong nursing home na napuntahan. At the moment, nasa Children's Sunshine Home ako. 10 years na ako doon and I will be retiring this December.
Wow.
At the age of 70.
Yeah. Talaga? Wow, galing ha? So ate, ikaw talaga yung ate-ate nila noon?
Kaya nga Ate Mitch eh. Everybody, every Filipino here na Ate Mitch ang Hindi nyo nakilala yung Rosana. Ate Mitch. Pag sinabi mong Ate Mitch.
So yung
si
mga
Ate
ating ganyan, yan yung masasarap magluto eh. Okay.
Ako naman si Leilani. Dumating kami dito, yung batch namin, 14 kami lahat during Celtic Tiger years, sabi nila. Ang unforgettable moments namin, pagdating namin sa airport, ayan na ang mga reporter. Pinipicturan na kami. Nagtataka kami, bakit?
Celebrity.
Nagtataka kami bakit na gano'n. Yung pala kami yung first na dumating dito na mga nurses. Oh, ang dami nila. Oo.
sa labas. Ang daming reporter sa labas. So, ako unang sumisilip, sabi ko, hala, ang daming mga reporter sa labas. Bakit?
So,
Halos every day no, may mga interview tayo, di ba?
newspaper, I think 1 week, yeah.
Celebrities! Oh, ikaw ate, kwento naman.
Ako, pagdating namin dito, actually distributed kami sa mga nursing home. Yun ang first job namin talaga na na-offer sa amin. So, kanya-kanya. Every nursing home, dala-dalawa kami. So, yeah. So, kaya naghiwa-hiwalay din kami pero dahil may broker kami, Doon nag-organize kami, nagkikita-kita pa rin
Yeah,
after,
because that-
after pag day off namin.
Kasi that time,
Yeah.
Motorola pa. Nokia
yeah,
pa.
yun nga.
May phone pa kami.
Yes.
Ilan lang ang line
Yung may
mo.
backpack na phones pa sa probinsya pagtatawag kayo. Di ba?
We were hired. Do you know how we were hired? All our papers were submitted to the agency. Okay? And then yung agency, pinadala yung mga credentials namin to Ireland. And then yung mga employee, parang nilako nila sa mga employer.
Yeah.
At saka yung mga employer, kaya yung mga employer, sila ang namili sa amin. That's how we were able to come here.
Tapos, ang na-experience pa namin, kasi from Manila to Heathrow kami, hinarang kami sa Heathrow. So we were questioned sa immigration. And then, ang iba sa amin nakalusot. So may ilan-ilan na nagtakbuhan kami kasi kamuntik na kami maiwanan ng plane from Heathrow to Dublin. Kaya, Diyos ko, grabe ang takbo namin, ha?
Naiwanan tayo, te.
Oo, naiwanan pa.
Because
Siguro,
we
yeah.
had to wait for another
Yeah.
flight. So all the reporters, all the employers,
Yeah.
the different employers were waiting in Dublin that time.
Yeah.
They were all
Kinusted
like-
kami, yeah.
Because we were left from the first plane. So then we had to wait for the next plane. It's good that we were able to be accommodated.
Yes. And how was it? You know, yung parang yung start ng work and you couldn't understand their language.
Oh yeah, it's very difficult.
Yeah, very difficult that time. And then you will experience, they will ask you, what planet did you came from? That's our experience. Yeah.
My employer before, so we have our training sa St. James's Hospital. So when you're exposed in there, one time I remember I was trying to fix the IV fluid of the patient, and then I did not notice that she was there at my back, and she said, "Rosanna, are you sure what you're doing?" You know, that's the kind of bullying that really.
I think it's always like that, na you have to gain their trust. So, and then after that, they will be so good to you. So, kayo, from your experience, ilang linggo bago nyo na-gain yung trust nila na linggo or months?
No. It's not easy. It was not easy for us, the first group, to gain their trust. You know, there are, for how many months na experience namin yung minsan ayaw sa amin magpahawak, ayaw sa amin they don't want us there. One patient will tell you, just get out of my room. You know?
Can I just add as well? So when we arrived, 6 weeks kami sa St. James's adaptation. So during that time, wala kaming pera. So sa nursing home, pagkatapos namin sa St. James, punta kami sa nursing home. Then while we waiting for the onboard alternation pa noon we were just being paid as healthcare assistants. And we were working as healthcare assistants. We can't work as a nurse because we were still waiting for our
Did you
registration.
remember, I don't know, did you remember the time that nag-ambagan tayo para lang makabili ng pagkain natin? Kasi wala kaming pera. Yung mga pocket money namin, yung ang doon kami kumain noon sa yung ano na nga ba yung dito sa may, yung, basta sa chicken, oo. Nag-ambagan kami para lang kami makakain. Super pa.
Oh, ate, yung mga anak mo, I hope they know that experience,
My
no?
children are here now. Andito na yun.
Oh, naiyak din ako.
Hindi, talaga totoo yun.
No, because you know what? 2005, it's still tough pa din. Kasi nung nasa UK ako that time, it took us a while din na parang before na ma-embrace ka nila na, uy, pagkatiwalaan. I was just so happy din naman na yung auntie ko nag-work na doon. So, sila yung talagang parang sa inyo. So, nung dumating ako, medyo kalma na. But still, meron pa rin mga ganyang experience.
Yeah, kaya nga it was not hard for talagang para kaming gumapang talaga sa bundok para lang marating namin magain namin yung trust nila.
Kaya guys, thank you talaga sa kanila, di ba? At sa mga nag-wish na makarating dito na mga nurses or kahit hindi mga nurses, kahit skilled worker. Yan, almost similar experience din naman yan. And anong masasabi nyo na dapat siguro na i-consider nila bago sila mag-apply dito?
Hi guys, I'm Crystal Bello. Your health is the foundation of everything you want to build. Your energy, your confidence, your productivity, your mood, your relationships, your future. When your body feels good, everything in your life gets better. And that's why I'm passionate about the Feel Great system. It's a simple, science-backed way to support your metabolism, balance your blood sugar, reduce your cravings, and help you lose weight naturally without depriving yourself or doing extreme diets. Most people don't need more restriction. They need a system that works with their body, not against it. The Feel Great system gives you steady energy, fewer crashes, better digestion, and real sustainable results. So if you're ready to take control of your health and finally feel great in your own skin, contact Mr. and Mrs. K from Ireland. They'll help you get started. Bye.
So, what are you waiting for?
Tara, let's talk!
Anong masasabi nyo na dapat siguro na i-consider nila bago sila mag-apply dito?
Pre-prepared.
Ano, emotionally, yung ganyan.
Everything, emotionally,
Financially.
culture, everything.
It's not that hard now. Hindi kagaya noon kasi kami noon wala kaming kakilala dito. Kami lang. Pero noon may mga Pilipino na dito. Pero every time I meet them in the city, para kami magkakapatid. Oy, how are you? Oy, ano?
Don't you miss that, ate? Because you go out in town now and
No.
Ngayon, wala na. Noon,
Yeah,
nag-umpisa
iba
na
na.
dumami. Sabi namin,
Nawawala.
ay, yayabang nyo kami dito na una, no?
biro lang po yun, biro lang. We understand.
Biro lang.
I wonder, you've gone through all those things, right? And then, how did you feel when you were earlier on mentioned and remembered as the some of the 500 nurses who first arrived in Ireland? How was the feeling earlier on?
Proud.
Still proud, yeah.
We're very proud.
As a
At saka,
Filipino,
syempre,
yeah.
very anxious kami noon, very weary, nerve-wracking, sabi nila, di ba? Kasi nga, kami yung una noon. Yeah. Ako? No. Si Marna.
You are the one. Yeah, in the group.
Wait,
Sa
am I?
group, you
Maybe,
are.
hindi, magkaedad lang kami ni Marna eh.
Si Marna, yeah, Marna, yeah.
Oo, sige.
Married. Because, you know, at least when you're single, it's not that hard. But when leaving your family, it's difficult.
Oh, yeah. My husband, my first husband died when I was here. Okay? So, he died in 2001. And was this, I remarried an Irish, so that's why I'm Brady at the moment. Yeah. We married. We got married in the Philippines. Yeah, and tomorrow is our
attended the wedding.
anniversary.
Anniversary!
It's our 18th anniversary tomorrow.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
That was amazing, guys. The experiences that they've been through, and of course, guys, meron na naman tayong mga natutunan. And guys, thank you very much. And yeah, we will be going around, but I'd say, you know, it's just that for us, being nurses as well, the two of us, husband and wife, we're so, like, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Because of your
Thank you.
hard work before, they were able to say, we have to get some more Filipino nurses. Okay. So thank you.
We're happy that we were recognized.
Yes, tama.
For the past years, nobody knows.
Quiet.
We were, yeah. The first recognition that we have was
Gala night in 2011.
It's been a while.
Because you know, guys, not everyone knows. So, to have someone na i-recognize lagay, iba sa pakiramdam, di ba?
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara,
Let's talk!